Hello, this is Brad Harvey. Today's question that we're going to answer is, should I include life insurance as part of my overall investment portfolio? This is something that we get asked quite a bit, and it can be very confusing, and you're liable to get a lot of different answers on how this really works. It is opinion-based, so this is my opinion. I personally think that life insurance should be used as insurance. So if something were to happen to you or your family, you want to use life insurance to offset that loss, typically income. And a good rule of thumb is 10 times your annual gross income is something that you should have in life insurance. I personally think that term insurance makes the most sense because you're probably not going to need that coverage forever and ever and ever. It's not permanent. Once your kids are out of the house and out of college and the mortgage is paid off, perhaps you don't need $1 million worth of life insurance or more. So I'm not a huge fan of including life insurance as part of your overall investment strategy. This is just part of good, solid financial planning. You want to share the risk of loss. That's what insurance companies are there for. There can be tax implications, good and bad, for using insurance for purposes that it was not designed for. Some people do want to include life insurance as part of their overall investment portfolio, but in my experience, the investment portion of those is fairly limited. And some of the people that are out there selling these products want to make them look and smell and feel like an investment portfolio, but it typically costs more. Why would you go out and add insurance as a layer of cost and complexity on top of an investment portfolio when it's not necessary? Then, insurance can also be important as part of an overall estate plan. That changes over time. And if you have a taxable estate, which right now is approximately $26 million for married couples who are citizens of the United States, you might want to include some life insurance to prepay or put away money now for that tax bill that could be coming upon your death. We typically use second-to-die life insurance in that case. We typically put it into a life insurance trust and some other tools and techniques that are out there, which I'm not going to go into in any great detail. So this is Brad Harvey. Today's question that we answered was, should I have life insurance as part of my overall investment portfolio? Thanks for visiting our channel. We hope you found the information valuable. If you want to see more videos about investing, please click to subscribe. If you have any questions you'd like for us to answer, please send us an email to harvey@riagroups.com. We would love your feedback.